Kinsey, what you playing in? Is that your oatmeal? How does that feel? You're pretty messy, kiddo. You're pretty messy. I'm playing in your oatmeal. Yeah. You see Duke? Yeah, Duke's down there. He wants some of whatever you drop. He'll take it. I don't really think he wants oatmeal though. But when you start having Cheerios, oh, you're gonna get it all over yourself, huh? You all done? All done? All done? No, you still playing? Look at your mess. Look at your mess. You all done? Or do you want to eat some more? Yeah, that's what you're playing in. That's your oatmeal. And that's your annoying brother.